Hello, everybody. My name is Vikram Raval, and welcome to the Chat Trap Show. All of you guys, thank you. Thank you for watching us. Thank you for giving such good comments for our show. And here's another week of this show, जहाँ पे मैं आपके लिए एक special guest लेके आया हूँ. Every week we bring special guests to you, जो अपने experiences share करते हैं, जो अपनी बातें करते हैं, जो आपको बताते हैं अपनी life, career और industry expertise के बारे में. एंड आज अगेन हमारे पास एक स्पेशल गेस्ट है जिनका नाम है रिजुल विक्टर. He is a musician based out of Delhi. He also goes by the name of Corridors. Corridors is founded by Rijul Victor, and Rijul Victor का एक soul is it's his soul electronic project. There are a lot of achievements for Rijul as well. We're going to talk about. हालांकि मुझे मेंशन करना पड़ेगा, कुछ मेंशन करने जरूरी है क्योंकि वो खुद नहीं करेंगे. Some of them are that he has been a judge for 2 to 3 years consecutively at the Delhi University ECA trials. Also, he's been featured with Rolling Stones magazine, a very known brand among the youth. And also, he has been playing in a lot of famous, these Indian music festivals. Some of them are Weekender, and some of them are also, one of them is also the Magnetic Field Festival. And his music has also been played exclusively at Cafe Delamar Records in Spain, which is amazing. Now let's welcome Rijul Victor and talk to him about how he has gone into music, what was his experience, and maybe a lot of you watching out there can get good points in experience, and you can get a lot of points where you can consider music as a career option, or maybe for someone you know. So let's welcome Rijul Victor. Hi
Hi
Rijul,
Vikram.
how are you? How are you doing?
All good. I'm doing very well. What about you?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much. Everyone,
Very good to see you. Very good to see you.
thank you. Same here. I'm sure everyone, all your fans are here. Everyone's happy to see you here. Yeah,
Hope so they're there if they've woken up from their
of
sleep.
course. Of course. Of course, they're here. And I'd like a lot of likes, shares, and comments, guys. All of you guys who are there for Rijul, come on. I really want to see those comments and shares coming in. And Rijul, I see a lovely background studio over there. Excited to know what all is that.
Oh, thank you. This is just a small setup that I have in my, which is an extension of my bedroom. I have,
Okay.
this is like where I work for like other projects, but then I have another studio which is downstairs. But this is
Okay.
more of me to like just get out of bed and just start making music. सो
Amazing.
बिल्कुल टाइम वेस्ट नहीं होता, कहीं और दूर नहीं जाना
Yeah.
पड़ता. तो एक काफी हैंडी एक सेटअप है ये. सो दिस इज वेयर आई वर्क आउट ऑफ एटलीस्ट ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉकडाउन.
Amazing. That was actually what I want to ask you कि lockdown में कैसे how are you managing to get through this lockdown? People are getting bored, they're getting frustrated, depression में है. I think does this all of this get you or keep you occupied? Does it keep you entertained? And how do you manage what's happening?
Absolutely. For me, I mean, I thank God that we have everything to keep us safe. But music has personally been the main source of my time being used.
Okay.
सारे पुराने इतने पुराने प्रोजेक्ट्स थे वो कंप्लीट हो रहे हैं. एक नई एल्बम पे काम चल रहा है. So basically, music has been the main source for me to be occupied and
Great.
be motivated. Like a lot of people are getting super anxious, very depressed, and that's very unfortunate.
Oh, that
But
is.
I'm one of the lucky few that has sort of been sane and
Oh, that's
hasn't
good.
lost my
That's
mind.
a good thing. That's a great thing. And I hope that continues for you. That is really great. Um, the reason, I mean, we would really want to know, apart from that, how Rijul is Rijul and how Corridors is Corridors today. We've been reading so much about you. I've done a little bit homework, but I think it was too much. It was a lot of stuff on Google to see about you. So
Thank you,
please let
thank you.
your audience know. Please let people know what all is Corridors about. How is it different from other music genres in India and
Hmm.
otherwise? Please let us know.
Okay, interesting question. So basically, I am known as an electronic music producer, which
Okay.
is like एक बड़ी simple language में music that you make on a computer, and with electronic gear and synthesizers and और बहुत सारे equipment के साथ बनता है ये. It's
Hmm.
not predominantly जो band setup होता है, guitars, keyboards, drums. Now with technology, we can do so much, and so this is what I am basically doing. So I play a lot of instruments, so I've
Okay.
combined all of that to come together,
Mm-hmm.
and I kind of like, it's like a bridge between analog music, which is the band का culture जो होता है आपका, guitars, bass, keyboards, and this
Acha.
meeting technology. So finding like a
Wow.
gap between the two is something that I am kind of pursuing at this point.
It's interesting. I've
Yeah.
heard some of them. I mean, they're really great. But how? I mean, do people really understand this? Is it something which people have adapted to over the years, and how much time has it taken for people to digest? Is it really going great? Is it kind of underground music, or it's out?
Hmm. So the form of music that I make and the industry that I'm
Mm-hmm.
part of is, and like you can say, it's an underground music industry. ये
Okay.
mainstream or commercial music से हटके है. So
Mm-hmm.
it has a niche. A lot
Okay.
of people don't, or maybe I don't know if it's fair to say don't understand it. It's just that maybe they've not been exposed to it that
Yeah.
much as
Fair
as much
enough.
as you have, as much as you've been like you've been exposed to other commercial forms of music. तो ये
Yeah.
उस सेंस में काफी अंडरग्राउंड है, एंड सिंस दिस इज नोन एज अंडरग्राउंड, it has a very cult following, it has a niche of its own. So, and that again, in the spectrum of the entire world, is a lot of people. It's again an entire different alternative universe. So
Yeah.
it is known as underground because a lot of people don't know about it, but still within the underground, man, it's a very huge industry.
Sure. That's awesome. So, so really, I mean, we've heard so much about you, where you have been the judge, as I've mentioned to the audience some time back, that you've
Hmm.
been a judge at the Delhi University and for the ACA trials.
Hmm.
You've been judging all these kids around. What was this experience? What was happening there? And what was
Hmm.
Rijul doing there? In fact, what's happening? Let us tell us.
I mean, it was a very interesting opportunity. So I got the call from, I think, the vice chancellor of Delhi University, and
Okay.
the president of the cultural affairs for Delhi University. And I think this happened because I was judging a lot of college competitions. You have battle of
Right.
bands, har jagah hota hai. So since my band was fairly successful, so I judged a lot of these other competitions, and because of that, the word had apparently spread, and Delhi University got in touch with me to judge the ECA trials under the music
Wonderful.
category. And the experience was hectic. You have like 200, 300 students, so the trials go on for like 10 hours in a day, and
Mhm.
that goes on for like 3 4 days. It's very hectic, and you have to like probably select like 20 or 30 students. So
Yeah.
it's quite crazy that you have to say no to like 280 children,
Whoa,
and so
that's a
it's
lot.
very hard. It's a very tight competition. So yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to take you a little back into memories and maybe from where you started. I mean, thinking about how difficult it is to judge someone right now is fine, but going back, maybe you start. When was it when you actually started with music? When was it you actually realized that this is what I want to do and this is where I'm interested? While others must be thinking that they would want to be probably engineers and doctors and a lot of other things as it's expected out of families mostly. How was your family supporting you? How did it really start? What was where did you realize that this is what it is, bro, and I'm going to come up like that? How was it
Hmm.
happening? Tell us, please.
Uh, the journey started like years ago in school. I would say I was probably in the fourth or fifth grade,
Okay.
and I was heavily into sports. But then eventually, like because of some medical condition, I had to like give up sports. And
Okay.
but I'll tell you, if I go way back, my grandmother used to play the piano.
Right.
Like all of my brothers, mere sare cousins, they're really good musicians. and
Okay.
I wasn't doing anything with music. I was just into like a lot of sports. But then when this
Okay.
happened, I had no other option, so I would maybe like go bunk my classes and go to the school jam room, and I would see all the seniors in the band practice, and that's where I was exposed to like a lot of music, and I was
Okay.
also exposed to a lot of music during like church, like you would see musicians perform.
Okay. So I think Rijul, is the video stuck somehow? Can you hear me? Hi Rijul, am I audible? I think the video is stuck. Rijul is going to join us back very soon. So yeah, we were talking with Rijul Victor. He's going to be back very soon. I think the internet disconnection is the reason. So we're having a great conversation with Rijul, and he's going to be back very soon. Keep your questions ready. If you'd like to know how you can actually get your career with music, Rijul, of course, has been doing not mainstream music. He has a little bit different experience. He's into a lot of techno electro mix. So we can get a lot of points from him as well because the struggle is real, right? So as soon as Rijul is back, we're going to be talking about this again. Till then, I'm waiting for all the comments out there. Let's see what the comments here. Hello, Kangshi. Hello, Miss Pratibha. Deepa Maurya. यार ऑलरेडी लॉकडाउन चल रहा है ऐसे वॉच पार्ट and Pupul is saying hello. Mr. Sagar is saying music is the soul. Of course, yes. Very well said. Music holds the key to happiness and positivity. Of course. That is very true. Music के बिना कुछ नहीं है. That I totally agree to. And we are waiting for more comments. So till the time Ritual comes back and joins us, I'd like to hear more comments from all of you. If there's any question about music you'd want to ask, and I think he's back. Let's see if it's getting connected. Hi, Ritual. Hello. Can you hear me? I can't hear you. Hi, Ritual. Can you hear? Are you there?
Yo,
Oh,
unfortunately, the connection dropped.
I know this happens. क्या करें? That's another problem in lockdown we are actually facing with the net.
Oh, Oh, can you hear me though? Like, I just want to make sure that that's
Yeah,
there.
yeah, yeah. You're audible. You're audible.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah. Perfect. So
I
we were while till the time you were away, we were talking to our audience about how music is very important in life.
hmm. I'm so sorry. Your audio is breaking immensely at this point.
Oh, okay. Is it better now? Hello? You
Yeah.
can hear me? Better? Great.
So yeah, I'll just probably continue what I was telling you.
Please continue. Yeah.
Yeah. So I mean, my grandmom used to be a pianist, and then comes to
Oh,
school,
wow.
and I used to like bunk a lot of like my classes and see my seniors play, and
Okay.
that kind of inspired me. It kind of like like दिमाग की कुछ बत्ती जली आप कह सकते हो, that I was like, this is awesome, this looks cool, and I
Okay.
basically started taking interest then. On my own, I would just look at these musicians play, and I would want to be like them. I was like, this is pretty cool.
Mhm.
So that's how the journey in short started in school. And then eventually, from not knowing anything, I learned to play the drums on my own. And then that led to me joining the school band. So we would compete in a
Okay.
lot of competitions. And then that led
Nice.
to me continuing to do this in college and made a band, toured all across India.
Yeah.
And basically,
Wonderful.
it just started in school, and it's not stopped till now.
That's good. It shouldn't stop.
That's how I
That's
got into
something
it.
which should continue. That's amazing. I think that's great. And we were actually, while you were away, we were talking about how, I mean, we were getting comments on how music is so important for our soul, how it's so necessary. And we were also getting a few questions and a highs from all your fans. So someone is asking us, how can one get into music scene in Delhi? There aren't many jamming sessions for singers and musicians
Okay,
who are not
something
already
I'm sorry to
okay.
cut you, but then there's something really odd with the audio.
Okay, I think it's a connection. Am I audible now? Is it better?
Hi, Vikram, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, but your video is stopped, so just waiting for that. Okay, you can hear me, right? Rujul? Yeah, you're audible. I can see you.
Okay, we're back again.
Yeah. Okay, we're back. Okay, so there's a question I was reading out from someone in the comments.
Something really odd with the audio.
It's really bad. So
One second.
connecting again would actually not be right. So I guess we'll just try to fix this.
Well, I'll have to probably connect. Give me 1 second.
Sure, no problem.
Let's get the big one out and see if it's getting better now.
I'm sure you have all the right accessories to do that.
Yeah. Can Can you hear me?
Yes, your audio is perfect.
Okay,
Can you
cool.
hear me? That's more important. If you
Yeah,
can
I
hear
can
me.
hear you.
Great. So I'll repeat, there's a question which had come in. So I thought I'll ask you that to start with. Then we can continue with other things. So the question is, it says, how can one get into music scene in Delhi? Right? There aren't many jamming sessions for singers and musicians who are not already into it professionally. So that's what someone is asking us.
Okay. Uh,
Yeah.
what I would what I would tell you, it depends. You have to understand what form of music you are doing. Suppose, let's
Okay.
say you're into Sufi rock, or
Okay.
if you're into rock and roll music, or
Mm-hmm.
you're into probably some classical form of music.
Right.
There are there are specific places and venues which host these kind of shows. So as a person, you need to go and attend these shows, and just
Mm-hmm.
you need to like find out like who are the people who are organizing it. You
Right.
need to like build contacts from ground zero. You have to go as an audience first. Maybe go
Okay.
and speak to the musicians. Musicians are normal people. you know
Hmm.
Even if they might be super famous or anything, just go and speak to them. Now we have the internet, so if there is somebody
Right.
that you really like, you can actually message them and ask them. I
Hmm.
have a lot of people who message me like almost every day, asking me how to like get shows, what to do, what.
Hmm.
And that is something which is very important. When I also did not know a lot of things, I would reach out to a lot of people. I would message them. I'd be like, so how do you get shows? How do you do this? I mean, you
Hmm.
need to reach out to people, whether it's at shows. Now to shows nahi ho rahe hain, you know
Yeah.
but what is happening is that you can reach out to people through the internet. You have Facebook, you have Instagram, and
Hmm.
uh, and yeah, like you can reach out to people. You can message me. I respond to as many messages as possible. So if I can be of any help, sure, you guys can message me.
Perfect. While the answer is perfect, and I think Pupul has asked this question. I think it's a great answer. But I was just checking if your your video is a bit stuck. I don't know. The
Man, i
internet
have
connection is really
i
bad today.
have I have. I think this world needs to sort 4G out before we talk about 5G.
Oh yes, that's actually another topic we can have a discussion on a next live video. That's actually a very great topic. And moving on, I was also going to ask you. So,
Your
what is
audio
it?
is like really broken also.
Is it?
Yeah, like I can
The
barely
internet seems to be
understand.
perfect here. Okay, little better.
Yeah,
No, little
yeah,
better now.
yeah.
Hmm. Okay, okay. I'll keep on speaking. If you're not able to hear me, just let me know. Right?
I mean, it's breaking a lot. It's really hard to
It's
like
breaking. It's
understand the
still
question. I'm
breaking.
so sorry.
It's okay. Can
It's a
try
matter of
again.
chance. Let's see.
Let's see. We'll try. So, what is basically, well, what is it that you feel can people do if they want to take music as a career, especially with the kind of genre you're into? It's very different. What do you think? How should they start? Probably, some of the viewers who are maybe students or they're not, they probably want to change their field, they want to change their careers, or they're actually concerned about some people who want to go into music. What is the suggestion? What is the suggestion you want to give them? What are the tips you would want to give them?
Okay. Uh, let's look at it from maybe two perspectives. One could be that somebody does not know anything, you know,
Mm-hmm.
and for that person, I will recommend that. See, there are a lot of music schools now, you know,
Mm-hmm.
and I have personally learned everything by looking at other people and through YouTube. You know,
Okay.
I've I've not had any music teacher per se. There is
Mm.
so much of information on the internet. If you just go to YouTube and type drumming lessons for beginners or piano lessons for beginners, there are so many educators that are giving you free lessons. Um,
Okay.
that is a really quick access. Like, see, अब आप एक lockdown में देख सकते हो, right? There is so much of
Yeah.
time. If you're getting bored, there are two choices. You can either watch um, YouTube and want to learn something, or you can spend 10 hours watching some movies on Netflix. You know,
Yeah.
uh,
That's true.
so you can actually uh, go to the internet. YouTube is an incredible place to learn
Mm-hmm.
music, yeah, and it's for free. There are so many people that are doing that. Okay, that's point number one. Point number two, let's assume you know an instrument or you sing, and
Hmm.
now that depends on how good you are. You have to again be really, really good at what you do.
Yeah.
Now, whether you require a teacher or an
Mm-hmm.
instructor, that
Mm-hmm.
depends on you. But after a point, for some people, learning everything on their own is not a practical thing.
Yeah.
किसी किसी को like एक टीचर की असिस्टेंस चाहिए होती है. So for that, I would say there are so many schools. Parikrama School of Music, Performers Collective, which is in CR Park, um,
Mm-hmm.
uh, Gurgaon School of Music, Global Music Institute. Um, you
Okay.
know, yeah, they are there are phenomenal music teachers. These teachers
Guys,
have
note
gone.
note that down. Note down those two examples Rijul has given, and if you have any questions or you wanna, take a school name and probably ask if Rijul if it's fine and should we go ahead with it, you can ask. You can inbox Dilistan. You can let us know. Yes, Rijul, please continue.
Yeah, so there are a lot of schools, and I must add, so I know a lot of the teachers that are there, and these are professional musicians that have gone abroad and
Okay.
studied and done courses in Berklee College of Music and just Musicians Institute. So
Mm-hmm.
they've gone to the best of the best colleges to learn, and they've come back to become
Mm-hmm.
teachers for the Indian people.
Yeah.
So it's not like there are I mean there are a lot of other random schools also, so I would recommend that don't go to these small tiny schools. There are a lot of excellent musicians that have their own personal schools,
Okay.
so probably you can definitely keep that in mind. Just don't go to some random person
Right.
जिसका basically there is no credibility.
Mhm.
Go to somebody that has done something, so that will
Yeah.
benefit you personally.
Right. So there are two things which you say. One is that which both are fine. One is that someone can be self-learned. They can go ahead on YouTube videos, they can watch videos, they can learn themselves. But what if someone has that inbuilt talent of singing, for example? Can they approach a well-known band in Delhi, and those band members then probably say that yes, I'm a vocalist, I can come to you? Is there any facility like that? Can they approach these bands at a particular place or a online platform where they can request
Hmm.
for an audition or something, and they don't require a very complex process which they have to go
Okay.
through probably?
Okay, so there is this one specific group which is pertaining to Delhi. Now, whoever's
Okay.
listening can go and check it out. It's called B for Bombay, A for America, D for Delhi, Bands Association of Delhi.
Okay.
So that group has thousands and thousands of musicians. I'm on it. There are so many other, like, I mean, basically there are thousands of musicians from amateurs to semi-professionals to professionals, and people go
Right.
there and they're making a band, and as simple as that, they message, hey guys, I'm looking for
Okay.
a vocalist. Or if you're a
Nice.
vocalist, people put a post that, hey guys, I'm a rock vocalist, or I'm a jazz vocalist, or I play Hindi rock, or I play classical music. I'm a singer and I'm looking for a band, or I'm looking for a guitarist. And you will be
Interesting.
surprised that there are so many musicians. You will just keep getting all those messages you know
Wow.
so
That's
that
nice.
is a pretty awesome page to go to. Or if you want, like, Delhi Stan page mein to Delhi ki baat karte hain. So
Bilkul.
absolutely, Bands Association of Delhi is one group. You can go check it out. There are a lot of
Right.
और सब तरह के musicians हैं वहाँ पे.
अच्छा. ठीक है. Wonderful. And that's great, yeah. I think that's a lot of at least some helpful information for all our audience. Guys, if you're watching a video now, this is Rajul Victor. He he is a musician based out of Delhi, also known as Corridors, which he has founded his soul
ये
electronic project. Yeah, yeah. And we're in conversation with him about how Corridors has formed, how he's become Rijul Victor as Rijul Victor, and how he's had this kind of an exposure. कैसे मिलता है, क्या होता है? There are a lot of people out there who look up to Rijul as musicians, and there are a lot of people who are actually looking forward कि कैसे करें, right? बिल्कुल, आपको भी salute. And so we are also in conversation with him about various other things. So if you have any questions, you can inbox us. We are also going to talk about a few other things, Rijul, like definitely ये तो पता लग गया कुछ लोगों को कि कैसे हो सकता है, how can you go into the music scene. But what about, because अभी तो लॉकडाउन है, but लॉकडाउन के बाद of course थोड़ा बहुत gigs तो शुरू होंगी. I'm sure I'm being positive. तो ये gigs होती कहाँ है यार? I mean, where is
Okay.
this amazing music played? Where are these places? Our audience would love
Okay.
to know. I would love to know. So please let us know. Yeah.
Okay. Interesting question, but I must add, कम से कम 8 महीने से 1 साल लगेगा for gigs to
I
start
am
happening
sure.
again.
हो सकता
You
है.
know, I have been attending a lot of panel talks, a lot of panels, and a
अच्छा.
lot of debates, and I've
Mm-hmm.
been hearing a lot of experts discuss this. It's
Okay.
nothing is going to start this year. It's all going to start in 2021 to begin
Perfect.
with.
Then इसका मतलब है you're coming online and performing, right? कहीं ना कहीं तो आप perform करते होगे. We can start following you there.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Your voice broke
Oh,
again.
I'm sure online कहीं ना कहीं तो ये performances होंगी, right?
Oh,
There
sure,
must be
sure.
some places.
I'll tell
So,
you like
yeah,
I'll tell you both the places. Once जब एक बार
sure.
lockdown खुल जाता है, I'll tell you where you can go. So the places I'm suggesting are places where you have non-mainstream music. They
Okay.
will There is no Bollywood music, there is no Sufi rock music playing there.
Right.
And this is basically alternative music, different
Yeah.
kinds of underground music. So you can go to this place called Oro Kitchen and Bar. Oro is
Yeah, yeah,
AURO.
sure. We've heard of that. Okay.
It is right next to Summer House Cafe. A lot of people know these places. So Summer House Cafe, Oro, there is this place called Rasta, which is again in Green Park. You can go check that out.
Okay.
You can go to this incredible jazz club called a Piano Man Jazz Club. There
Okay.
are two. One is in Safdurjung Enclave and one is in Gurgaon. I think 32nd
Okay.
milestone. So,
So all
uh,
these places were famous before the lockdown for these kind of gigs.
oh, they're the best. Like
Okay.
they have the best crowd and very well behaved people. कोई लड़कियों को नहीं
Nice.
छेड़ता, कोई लड़ाई नहीं करता. So it's a very safe place to be. It is it's a yeah. You can be from any sect and you can go there.
Interesting. Definitely then lockdown खुलने में तो शायद time लगे. But online definitely whenever Rijul is performing. So we're going to be telling people where he is, right? We're going to tell people, we're going to keep updating everyone where he's performing. You can like the way you go to different cafes and bars, etc., and attend performances. You can do the same online, right? उसी तरीके से होगा सब कुछ. Of course, the band members, of course, have been hired by the cafe and everything. तो एक तरीके से commercialized ही होगा online भी, I'm sure. Is that right, Raju?
I'm
It's
sorry,
going to be the
like
same way.
your voice
Okay,
broke.
okay,
I
okay.
couldn't
I'll,
understand
I'll,
the
I'll
question.
repeat it again. No worries. So I'm saying, जैसे लॉकडाउन से पहले bars and cafes में performances होती थी, gigs होती थी. Am I audible? Am I audible now? Hello,
I
Raju?
can hear you, but it breaks so much that it's unintelligible. Like I can't tell.
Okay.
Can you type it on the chat? I mean, on the StreamYard chat.
So just a minute. The internet seems to be fine here.
Sorry, guys. Today, internet is not being our friend at all. This is really funny thing I've noticed with me whenever there has to be some serious streaming or some work related thing.
Yeah,
इंटरनेट
it's
का
really
अपना
funny.
अपना दिमाग है कुछ.
कुछ है. आवाज आ रही है? नहीं. कुछ फर्क तो
I
किया है
mean,
मैंने. No.
it's there, but I can't understand much what you're saying.
Okay. Okay. I'll say it slowly. Maybe you hear it out. So I'm saying before the lockdown, audible.
Before the lockdown.
Before the lockdown, there must be performances. बहुत होती थी, right? Gigs होती थी.
Yeah.
So gigs जब होती थी तो वो तो अब सेम अब ऑनलाइन भी होंगी, right?
Sorry.
ऑनलाइन भी चलेंगी gigs अब
Yeah.
वैसे ही. So now ऑनलाइन जो चल रही है उसके बारे में Rijul will keep updating us.
Okay. So what I've gathered, are you asking me where can somebody go watch online shows?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay, cool. So basically, what you can do is, it's kind of tricky. I'm actually working on starting a page where somebody can go and watch all these streams.
Hmm.
But there is this page that you can follow. It's called Wild City,
Okay.
and Wild City is again a magazine, a publication, a production house,
Okay.
agency that that is at the core of underground music. So whenever there are some important streams happening, they do talk
Hmm.
about it.
Okay.
There is another page that you can follow. It's called Reproduce Artists,
Mm-hmm.
and they have some really crazy musicians and very crazy electronic musicians, different forms of art. So you can follow their page, and it's quite crazy. It's probably even I find it crazy, and I listen to all kinds of crazy shit. But yeah, you can check out Reproduce Artists. They almost host a stream with multiple artists. They have conversations, they have debates almost every day.
Okay.
So you can
Nice.
check it out.
Nice. Wonderful. I think, but the only thing is that unfortunately you won't be able to play for us today because of some technical issues, as you had mentioned. But
Yeah.
we'll definitely play some of your best gigs on the Listan page and let people know about how it is. You can hear me, right?
What did you say? I'm so sorry. It got
So no
disconnected
worries.
again.
So I was saying, unfortunately, you won't be able to play because of a technical glitch, as you had mentioned. No, not
What?
audible. Okay, I'm saying hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
So I'm saying because of a technical glitch.
I mean, if you're talking about that, I cannot perform. I don't think it'll
Yeah,
be possible at all, given
yeah,
how incredible the internet is being. And
yeah. It's being great though. Yeah. So no
yeah,
worries. I think we'll end the interview here and we can plan this again. That's not a worry at all,
awesome,
right?
awesome.
Great.
And if anybody has any questions regarding this, you can just type it down in the comments. The moment this
Sure.
convers, like you can just put the question in the comments. I'll come online. I'll go to the chat and I'll reply to all your questions and all your queries. And yeah, like I can connect with you guys on the Dilistan page. And but
Perfect.
for now, you can put those comments, all those questions in the comment section, and I
Yeah.
will answer all of them today.
And sorry about the glitch. The internet is not acting good today with us, but that's okay. I think Rijul can be back again soon. We
Sure,
can have him
sure.
again. That's not a problem. We'll be talking on a good internet day again. Thank you so much,
Yeah.
Rijul. Thank you for being with
Yo,
us.
thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so
You
much, and
take care.
apologies for the internet.
No worries.
If I can find somebody and probably thrash them, I would. But thank you for having me. The Listan is an awesome page. Uh, Much
Thank you.
love to you guys and the team. And this was interesting despite the technical glitches. But nothing is perfect in life, so this is what it is.
Thank you. Thanks for the message, Rijul. Thank you so much. Thanks
Cheers.
for being
Thank
with
you.
us. Take care. Bye bye. So that was Rijul. We had a very technical, we had a internet issue today, and I would like to apologize for that. No worries. We can join again with Rijul whenever we want. Till then, you guys take care. Stay safe. Stay home, and you got to be a little bit less naughtier. I'm going to be back again next week with another show, another face, another special guest, and we're going to be joining in with a surprise. We're going to be coming up again very soon. For today, I guess whatever questions we have, whatever you need to ask Rijul about music, related to music, whatever you want to watch a gig online, you want us to send you links, we can do that. Why don't you just inbox us and we'll be there. So you guys take care. Thank you for watching Chat Trap with Vikram Raval, and thank you Dilistan for powering this show. We love you. We love you all. Thank you so much. You take care.